going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Z Monopoly. It is that time of the month where I give you the 12 penny stocks to watch out for. Now, before we begin, penny stocks, risky. 60% of penny stocks will fail. I mean, if you look at all the penny stocks that I've given you, all the picks, you will see that 60-70% of these stocks are down on value. So, what does that tell you? That tells you 60-70% of the time you can be profitable by shorting that stock. But some of you don't want to learn how to short. It's just the opposite of buying. So, when the title says to buy, I don't really mean to buy, because we all know we don't invest in penny stocks. Penny stocks are risky. 70% of penny stocks will fail. They're deep in losses. They don't have revenue. They don't even have a product, let alone revenue. So why the hell am I investing in penny stocks? We don't. We only day trade penny stocks on the exact dates that I give you. And I showed you how you can find the exact dates that they will spike in value, either upwards or downwards. So I'm going to give you the dates for these penny stocks. On that day they will spike in value, and your job is to analyze and find out which side of the trend to go on, and I explained that to you. In this video we're going to do two things. I'm going to give you the 12 penny stocks, and I'm also going to do a live trade for you guys to show you how I do things. Now, some of you already know I don't use technical indicators, I don't use charts. My trading style is psychological and fundamental. I'm already a step ahead of someone that is using technical charts. I'm a step ahead because I know what these guys are going to do. Alright? That's the psychology. Fundamentals, I know what's going to happen to that stock. I'm also a step ahead because I know if that stock comes out with negative results, that stock will go down in value. If that stock comes out with positive results, that stock will spike in value. Then you guys will probably be like, what does this guy mean? Have a look at the rest of my videos to understand what I really mean and why I'm giving you these stocks. Right? So, let's go through the first one. Let's just begin with the stocks and then we'll go to the computer and trade. CBIO, December 1st. On December 1st, that stock will spike in value. KPTI, December 1st also. ONTX, December 1st also. TRIL, December 1st also. NLNK, December 2nd. SRRA, December 3rd. All of these will be in the description. Don't worry about the tickers. So on those exact dates, these stocks will see huge volatility, either upwards or downwards. Your job is to analyze and find out which side of the trend to go on, either by buying that stock or by shorting that stock. So between December 13th and 16th, we're going to have a stock called BLCM, spiking. There's no specific date for that. ACHN, December 17th. MNLO, December 2018. ACIU, late 2018, no specific date for that, guys. SESN, December 2018. AGTC, end of December 2018. Now, there's a lot of stocks that are being released, not just 12. It's like, literally, it's like Christmas in December for making money. For those of you guys that I've showed you guys how to find these stocks, right? You already know, so go have a look, find them. There's more than just 12, but for the guys that don't know, I'm just giving you the 12 here. So, let's go to the computer, guys, and let's do a live trade. I'm going to use a simple platform. I'm going to explain to you how I do things. Matter of fact, I've already explained it to you, but I'm just going to show you how I can do it in 10 minutes and make the same amounts of money you're making right now if you're watching this from your job, right? In the space of 10 minutes. And I'm not going to use much capital. I'm just going to use about, let's say, 2,000, 3,000, maybe 5,000 to trade. And make the same amounts of money that you would have made, right, in your job right now. Let's have a look. We don't have an earner report today. We don't have a penny stock today. So there's no catalyst for us to trade. But there's something called NVIDIA Corporation. Now this stock is spiking pre-market by 4%, right? 4% is spiking. And why is it spiking by 4% pre-market? Or 3%? Well, because if we look down here, NVIDIA up 3% after bullish Credit Suisse call, i.e. Credit Suisse, a big corporation, backed the buying of this stock. So they said, okay guys, buy this stock because it's undervalued. And what do you think is going to happen? Investors are pumping their money into the stock. See, that's why I say I don't trade trends or technical indicators. I only trade behavioral patterns. And we can see, and you'll see how I'm going to trade this stock in a minute. Well, let's see yesterday. Yesterday it spiked in value and it pulled back. It spiked by how much? By 4%. We're almost there, guys. And it pulled back in value. What does that mean? That means it went back to the opening price. That's exactly what's going to happen. We're going to have to wait. Pre-market's 149. I'm predicting, and I'm saying to myself right now, this, as soon as the market opens, is going to open up at, let's say, 150, right? And at 150, I'm going to short that stock. I.e., I'm going to bet that this stock is going to go down in value. Shorten. Why, Zed? Why don't you buy it when Credit Suisse is saying that it's a buy? Well, because people are buying this already. I don't have pre-market with plus 500, right? Now, yes, I'm going to use plus 500. This is just for demonstration purposes. Do not use this platform, by the way. So, I'm going to buy this because people are already overbuying this stock pre-market. Therefore, it's going to have to come down because let's face it, after every spike, there has to be a pullback just like this. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy this stock and I'm going to short it. Or short it instead of buying it. Or I could buy it and then short it. So, stock market opens in 10 minutes and I'm going to play this stock for you guys. Do not use this platform. It sucks. It's not for day trading. But Zed, why using it? Because it's kind of easy for beginners to understand. So I'm gonna short sell 50 shares. And that's gonna basically it's gonna be around what? Value 7,000. Okay, it's not much. Let's see how much. Yeah, that's fine. I think some people can afford that. 6,000 maybe. So I don't want to use a lot of capital here. So he says Z. So we need about $2. Well, there we go. Nvidia spiking 149. You can see, right? Candle 150. Okay, we're waiting. You see the way it's spiking? There we go. Come on, spike. Here's the green. See the green, guys? Wait for the green. Wait for the green. Still going. The green should be filled soon. And then I should hit it. So it's 4%. 51. You see the way it's just jumping like this, guys? Now I could have bought this, but there's more buyers than shorters. Now I could have made about $1 on this so far if I had bought it. It's like 4%. It's too early. It's too early to be shorting. So we're going to wait for another few minutes and then we'll short. See another green coming. Okay, that's a red. There we go. I just shorted. There we go. I just shorted that, guys, at 151. Now we're going to get scared a little bit because it's going to shoot up a little bit. But we just shorted at the moment. And that order was fulfilled at I think it was 158. 151. Okay, now it's 151.06. So I'm just waiting for it to go down in value. So that's what I'm doing. I'm shorting. I'm betting that the stock is going down in value. So let's have a look. Right? What happened? We opened up 4%. Now, what did I show you guys? Earlier, that stock was what? This shouldn't be 4% for no reason. Maybe it was landed 3%. Now, the guys holding this for a swing trade will probably hate me for this, for shorting it. But don't worry. This is what traders do, guys. So we'll just wait and see how that plays out. It should take about 15 minutes for the buyers to go away and the shorters to come into this. Now, $10 profit so far. Let's say we got about 2 minutes on this recorder. So I might pause this, guys, and then come back. Well, there we go, 22. Now the shorts are coming in because they feel like there isn't much buyers anymore into this. The buyers came in at market open, and now the shorts are coming in. So before I close that position, guys, let me just show you how you get out of a short position. Because I think, see, there's $100 on what? 7 grand investment. So I made sure not to use much capital here. But yeah, this should go down to the opening price, which is 147 maybe. But let me close at profit. How do I close at profit? At profit of 148. Nah, we'll just close the position, period. All right. Let me see, orders. A lot of people say, Zed, You don't use candlesticks. See, I didn't take my money, but what happened? We had a reversal. That's why I say you have to be quick. Quick. But I know it's going down further. I don't need to, worry. Because I know the behavior. You're not listening. You need to know the behavior of stocks. I don't care about these fundamentals. These technical indicators. I know the behavior. And that's what happens when you find your edge, guys. So let's have a look. This is the Google chart that people laugh at me when I use that. Well, anyways, I'll try to remain as humble as possible. 148. There, 116, 119, right? 125. Now, 119, guys. Look, this is what happened as predicted. What did we say? As predicted, guys. Here, right? We're getting out, my friends. See ya. All right, 110, guys, profit. 110 made through shorting that stock by learning the behavior of traders. I just wanna go through my website, guys, because I see a lot of scammers impersonating me lately, especially in the comment section, asking you to email them. I will never ask you to email me personally, guys. If you want any of my courses, this is the only thing that I do, is this course and the Patreon stock alerts, right? The stock course is 3-in-1 stock course. It's $65, right? 65 euro. That's it. I will not charge you 4,000 for anything. I will not ask you to send me money. The business course is also 45. I will not ask you for any more than that. And I will never ask you personally in the comment section to email me. So do not fall into scammers' hand. Always, if I reply to you guys, click on the YouTube channel to see if there's videos uploaded that are actually mine, right? So, because I witnessed a lot of people getting scammed and they reach out to me saying, Zed, is this how much you charge? No way. All courses offered. This is it. 3-in-1 stock course and whatnot. The stock course, by the way, guys, it has the penny stock, the high cap day trading strategy, and swing trading, etc., etc. That's it. All right. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow for more videos.